We are Sharkies today. We're meeting up with 3 of our young guns. Dover, August 7th. Come on, follow me. Greetings. Sharkies Plantation. One of our newest sponsors for this year for JRDC Dover Raceway and a driver. We're here today, not on business, but we want to know more about the driving and what took place at Jamaica and what is in store for Independence Speed August 7th. Now, the fans them know the car. This is the pilot behind the car, Sharkies man. Everybody know him. Regular fast car man, a long time, bound speed. Now, man decided to say, straight line thing, we want to take some cars. We know the potential of the car, because this car was built by the Peter Moody Garage. Father Gore, I pilot the car, then Tommy Gore had it. So the car is, we know the car is completed because of fast car. I've seen some issues that you had. How are you overcoming those issues?
Well, the issues I had was some minor issues.
Okay.
And I have no engine issues when I have nothing really overboard. It's just some little wiring, some coil and some little petty stuff.
Okay.
So what we did is we send the car into the garage this time back to Moody's. We're doing a total overhaul of the car. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a competitive day on August 7th. I mean, the car, we tried it already.
Right.
It is fine. We're doing some testing after we take it out the garage before race day. So make sure everything is fine running and ready. So we should have a great day.
Nice. So, for August 7th, the car is going to be prepared by the Moody's.
Yes.
And going to be tested. And race day, the car will be ready.
In a competitive state.
Well, when you hear it. How far are you planning to take this? Is this as a one-time thing? You're trying to, you want to campaign the car for October and coming on for next year?
Definitely long term. Motorsports is something that I love for a long time. I usually drag race, everybody know that. I am from St. Ann, Dover is in St. Ann. I know the track. I'm familiar with circuit racing. We're actually building a next car right now. Right, so it's definitely something long term.
The next car?
Yes.
Interesting.
So like a next Honda? Huh?
Definitely.
Right. We want to get to every racer. We want to know how can we improve the sport to facilitate the racers. We know what the fans would want. We kind of hear their growth. What do you think now as a sponsor, driver? Where you think that we can do some improvements?
The biggest issue myself is track preparation. Right, I think the track can be I see issues with like debris and stuff on the track. I think the track can be prepared faster and better in a timely manner for racing. Because you know motorsports is a dangerous thing. If we get that together and we attract some more sponsors, I mean I think everything will be fine. Management is getting better. Fans always are going to follow motorsports, so just get out some good things and get back into 100%.
Respect to the man.
Yeah, man.
Nice having you, man. Thanks for having me here. It's one of our newest sponsor and our driver.
Just stay.
Just stay. Like Sharkies, or come out, support Sharkies, support Plantation, because when you support them, they support motorsports. And this is the relationship that we want to carry on in the future. That's all.
Yeah, man. Respect.
all motor racing fans as JRDC presents the Mobile One Independence of Speed on Monday, August 7th at the Dover Raceway in St. Anne. Gates open at 7 a.m. You don't want to miss the intense battles in the modified production class. The young guns will be burning up the track. The big guns will face off for supremacy. Don't you miss the motorcycle action from Jamaica's top bikers. Dover Raceway in St. Anne comes alive on August 7th. General admission 3,000, adult paddock 6,000, limited VIP 15,000, children under 12 1,000. So on August 7th, you can't afford to miss it. JRDC's Mobile One Racing Independence of Speed.